At least 80% of it don't have any training qualification. How can you justify the appointment? They don't have any even the training qualification. This is Darjeeling is somewhere different, somewhere out of India. Mr. Datta, please take the affidavit of 23rd April. State is not supporting the approval, but unfortunately, order of injunction has not been brought to the court. How can state approve this kind of appointment? And in your affidavit, you are saying that we are not. I have recorded Mr. Datta's, if the court finds, the 313 teachers may go. But see that list: BA, MSc, 1 BA, BA. See that qualification. Is it not required the training qualification of a teacher? So stop salary first is 313. Let them come and explain.
313 along with the 439.
439, there is an issue that I don't know whether it is way teachers can be appointed. This is one aspect, and the criminal investigation is the other aspect. Let us first assure that no government exchequer should not be taxed with this salary of these persons. 23rd April. Have you got the copy? Please see that.
23rd April.
I will go to the criminality part first.
The criminality may wait. By the direction of stopping salary, not only for 313, but for 413 and also. So that will be a one step forward to correct these sort of illegalities.
And still approval is going on, and it has been given
Surreptitious,
beautiful wrapper is, we are working for 10 years, give us approval. Similar kind of teachers have been given approval. High Court, of course, the honorable judge has not been apprised of.
Yes.
There is an order of injunction. There is an how can it be? When you are considering finance department, cabinet approval is awaiting. By the time GT has your DI has given approval. That is why the FIR, that is the committee has found him, at least found him that you are responsible for that. How you can still disbursing salary to this 313 list is before you. Stop salary of this 313.
Kindly give us a opportunity to file an affidavit and find out what is there.
That affidavit is already your affidavit. From your affidavit, I am reading. I am reading from your affidavit.
What will be drastic, stopping.
No.
Kindly give one opportunity.
Mr. Subba, you cannot justify in any event. In any event, see the qualification. If today you find that a class 8 pass man will be teaching in a high school, and you will be saying that they are working for 10 years, therefore their family, their children, you should not touch them, this cannot be tolerated. Because the other children will be affected.
It is not all, Your Lordship, those who are not PA.
313, if you take this, first one, second one, fourth one, fifth one, 15, then again 16, then again 19 to everyone. First of all, their appointment state is not supporting. State is not supporting, affidavit says, and Mr. Datta, may I read again?
Yes,
May I read again what I have recorded in my order?
11th October.
Possibly in 11th October, no?
11th October 23.
Yes. On instruction he has submitted, they are not. Submits that he has instruction from the Secretary Law, Education Department, Government of West Bengal to submit that irregular appointments 313 voluntary teachers in the government school within the GTA area, a GTA may be cancelled as the